Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I am going to explaining about the static member and static function. So how we can use it static member and function in our C++. So let's take one demo. So basically what is the work of static means static has static members value are the shared by all the objects, means that the static member value is the same for all the objects. So here I am taking one example. So here I am creating one class that's name is item. So I am declaring one static member and its return its data type is integer and its name is total price. So it's this is the demo that how we can uh, declare a static member. So here I am creating one method, that is static method. So here we need to write like static return type. Oh, here I am set the value for the total price. So here set total price. So here I am getting value total price. So total so here I am creating one more method, it used for the get the total price value. It will be returning the integer, so its return type will be integer. So here I need to return total price. So what is the use of the static method? The use of static method is when we want to work with our static member, so we need to use static method for the set and modifies the value of the static member. So this is the main work of a static member and static method or function. So when we want to use a static member or method, so we no need to initialize the method for the class. We can directly access it by the writing the name of the class. So here we need not need to create the object of the item. So here we can directly initialize the static member of our class. So using a set total. So here we can pass the value for the our static member. So here I have passed the value of static member. So now I wanted to get the value of the total price. So get total price. So here we need to print the value of the get total price, and we need to initialize the variable static variable outside the class. So this is done guys. So let's run this code. So guys, you can see here that our program is successfully run. So this is the basic demonstration of how to you can use a static member and method in your program as per your requirement. So I hope you understand this topic that I have explained you. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video, and you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. And if you have any suggestion, so please comment that suggestion in comment section. I will meet you in next video.
to change your